Hello, my name is Neil Getia. Today, LeetCode question solve 485 match consecutive ones. Given a binary A nums, return the maximum number of consecutive ones in the A. Example 1 is nums 110111. Output is 3. Uh, the first two digits or the last three digits are consecutive 1s. The maximum number of the consecutive 1s is 3. Example 1 1. Maximum number is 1 1 and 0. 1 1 1 is the maximum number. Output is 3. Example 2 is 1 0 1 1 0 1. 1 1 is the maximum number. Code is integer mesh out equal to 0. Integer count equals to 0. For loop integer I equals to 0. I nums dot size I addition incremental num equals to nums of I. If condition is num equals to 1, count equals to increment match count equals to match count and conc else loop is match count sorry conc equals to 0. Return match count. Nums is 110111. Output is 3 and cache to 101101 is output 2. Code submit.